it's me Momita and welcome back to my channel Sip and Snacks. So today we are going to make Coriander chicken. For that, in a mixing jar I took some coriander leaves, some cloves of garlic and a chunk of ginger. Within that I will add some sliced onions and some green chilies. Now we'll make a nice paste of it. Keep it aside. Here I took 500 to 700 grams of chicken, cleaned and washed it nicely, and we are going to marinate it with some turmeric powder, some salt, along with we will add some curd, near about 4 tablespoons, and our coriander paste directly to it. So we will mix all the spices well with the chicken and keep the marination aside for 30 minutes. Now in a pan I took some oil. I'm using mustard oil, and once the oil is heated I added some slitted green chilies, some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, and we will fry these spices well. Keep the flame to medium to high. Once the spices are cooked, we are going to add our marinated chicken. Add all the chicken pieces nicely and let's start cooking our chicken. Keep the flame in medium to high. We'll fry it for 5 minutes. See, chicken release some water. After this I have added some garam masala, near about half teaspoon. Here I have not added any extra water. Add the remaining coriander paste to it. If required, add some water here. Keep the flame in medium and mix it and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Just don't leave it for 15 minutes. Keep on checking on the chicken. If you want, you can add some salt here. So our chicken is not boiled properly. We will cook for some more time. So our chicken is boiled. Now I'm adding some fresh coriander leaves. Mix it well. Check for the gravy consistency and serve it hot. You can serve it with rice or chapati and enjoy.